ॐ श्री गुरवे नमः। सप्तदशोऽध्यायः। पञ्चविंशे तु दिवसे वैदर्भे विदुषां वरः प्रश्नयावनतो भूत्वा मुनिं भूयोऽपि पृष्टवान्। On the 25th day of a certain month, Vaidarbha, who is the best among the learned, made salutations to Bhagavan Ramana and asked him the following question. Vaidarbha uvacha kramena yati kim jnanam kimchit dine dine ekasminneva kale kim purnamabhati bhanuvat. Bhagavan, how does the knowledge dawn upon the seeker? Does the seeker get enlightenment gradually, day by day, or does the enlightenment dawn upon him in all its fullness like the rise of the sun? Shri Bhagavan uvacha kramena yati na jnanam kimchit dine dine abhyasa paripakena bhasate purnamekada. When the sadhana ripens, the knowledge dawns upon the seeker and shines forth in all its fullness instantaneously. It does not, however, shine little by little, gradually, day by day. Vaidarbha uvacha abhyasakale bhagavan vrittiram tarbhahistada yatayatam prakurvana yate kim jnanamuchyate. Bhagavan, during the practice of self-inquiry, in the pre-state of self-abidance, the I is sometimes immersed in the self and at other times is out of the heart cave and is externalized. Can we consider the temporary merging of the I thought in its source as knowledge? Shri Bhagavan uvacha Antaryata matir vidvan bahirayati chet punaha abhyasameva tamahur jnanam hyanubhavochyutaha. The temporary merging of the I thought in the source or the heart can be termed only as sadhana. It cannot be termed as true knowledge. When the I permanently merges in the self, it can be termed as true knowledge or the state of self-abidance. That state can be termed as true knowledge or sahaja state. Vaidarbha uvacha jnanasya munisardhula bhumikah kaschidhiritah Sastreshu vidusham sreshthai kadham tasam samanvayah. Bhagavan, the scriptures state that there are degrees in the stages of knowledge. How will this scriptural statement reconcile with Bhagavan's teaching that there are no stages in knowledge and knowledge is one? Shri Bhagavan uvacha Shastrokta bhumika sarva bhavanti parabuddhigaah mukti bheda iva prajna jnanamekam prajanatam. The stages in knowledge as mentioned in the scriptures exist only in the minds of the onlookers, just like they perceive distinction in liberation, even though there are no stages in liberation. Likewise, there are no stages or degrees in knowledge. For the wise, knowledge is one. Shri Bhagavan uvacha Charyam dehendriyadinam vikshārabhyanusarinīm kalpayanti pare bhūmi staratamyam navastutaha. Jnani may go about with his karmic actions even after attaining enlightenment. From the point of view of the onlookers who are not enlightened beings, they perceive difference or duality in Jnani's actions. However, from the point of view of Jnani, there is no sense of doership because his mind is completely immersed in the source or the heart. Vaidarbha Uvacha Prajnanamekada Siddham Sarvajnananibarhanam Tirodyatte Kimajnanat Sangadam Kuritat Punaha. In this verse, Vaidarbha expresses his doubt regarding the possibility of the revival of ignorance after the attainment of knowledge. His question is, Bhagavan, is the knowledge which is attained permanent, or will the ignorance which has once been destroyed by knowledge revive because of attachments? Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Ajnanasya pratidvandvi na parabhuyate punaha prajnanamekada siddham Bharadvaja Kulodvaha. Light of Bharadvaja line. The knowledge once attained will never be lost. The heart lotus once opened will never be shut again. Iti Shri Ramana Gita Subrahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Ramanam Te Vasino Vasishthasya Ganapate Rupanibandhe Saptadasoऽध्यायः.